Why tech projects get delayed. Today we will talk upon this topic. And clearly, no, the answer is not always developer. Most tech projects don't get delayed because coding takes time. They get delayed because clarity comes late. Founders को पता ही नहीं है बनाना क्या है. If you are a startup founder, product owner or business owner building an app, website, dashboard, CRM, CS, SaaS, marketplace, or any kind of software, this video is for you. Tech delay usually starts before development. It starts when the founder says, मुझे एक simple app चाहिए. But simple for founder means login page, dashboard, payment, admin, panel, notification, report, users, user roles, CRM, analytics, and so-called future AI integration. But for tech team, it simply means clear flow, clear role, clear data, clear decision, and clear scope. When this is missing, delay starts. First reason is unclear scope. The first reason tech projects get delay is unclear scope. Scope is not just a feature list. Scope means what exactly will the features do, who will use it, what happens after user clicks, what happens if payment fails, what happens if admin deletes something, what is included, what is not included. And a founder may say dashboard bata do, but dashboard can mean 5 cards, 10 charts, reports, filters, export, analytics, or live tracking as well. So if scope is not clear, timeline is also not real. It gives only a guess, like 2 to 3 months or something. Second reason, मंडे को फाउंडर बोलता है सिंपल MVP बनाना है. वेडनेसडे को कंपेटिटर का लिंक भेजता है, मुझे कुछ सिमिलर इसके जैसा बना के दे दो. फ्राइडे को बोलता है इन्वेस्टर डेमो के लिए प्रीमियम बना देते हैं. नेक्स्ट वीक दे से एक्चुअली B2B क्लाइंट्स भी यूज़ करेंगे इसको, तो उसमें भी चेंजेस कर रहे हैं. नाउ दिस वन लाइन कैन चेंज द फुल आर्किटेक्चर. Single user product suddenly becomes multi-company product. Now, role changes, database changes, report changes, security changes, dashboard changes, UI changes, everything changes. So one small business change can become 2 weeks of engineering work for a developer. Third reason is delayed decisions. Work fast. पेमेंट गेटवे रेजर पे रहेगा या स्टाइप ही रहेगा, एडमिन डिलीट करेंगे या डिसेबल करेगा, रिपोर्ट डेली होगी या मंथली होगी, लोगो फाइनल होगा, कंटेंट फाइनल होगा, API इसकी की मिलेगी या नहीं मिलेगी, सर्वर एक्सेस होगा या नहीं होगा, नो रिप्लाई. देन आफ्टर 5 days प्रोग्रेस क्या है. प्रोग्रेस तब होगी जब डिसीजन मिलेंगे. कई बार ऐसा होता है कि डनस नंबर ही नहीं आता है. टेक टीम कोड लिख सकती है बट बिजनेस डिसीजंस फाउंडर को लेने पड़ते हैं. फोर्थ रीजन है डेवलपमेंट विदाउट डिज़ाइन. When development starts without proper wireframes or design approvals, founders often say development start करो, design बाद में देख लेंगे. But technically ऐसा कुछ होता नहीं है. Design is not just colors. Design is everything. Design decides user flow, buttons, form, error messages, dashboard layout, mobile experience, empty states. Without design, developers just guess, and guesswork creates rework always. If wireframe is clear before development, 70 to 80% of confusion gets solved here on the day one only. Fifth reason is comparing the big apps. When you're comparing your product with big platforms without understanding their backend, founder says Uber जैसी simple tracking चाहिए, Amazon जैसी marketplace चाहिए, Zomato जैसी listing चाहिए, but user को simply दिखता है, backend में complexities नहीं दिखाई देती. Uber tracking means live location, driver assignment, route logic, pricing, cancellation, payment, notifications, super flows, support flows, etc. etc. So when you say बस Uber जैसा बना दो, you are not asking for one screen, you are actually asking for an ecosystem. Sixth reason, no time for testing. इसी सब में सारा टाइम निकल जाता है एंड देन फाउंडर्स हरी अप कि अब मुझे डेवलपमेंट डिप्लॉय करो जल्दी से. डिप्लॉयमेंट कंप्लीट डजंट मीन प्रोडक्ट रेडी है. प्रोडक्ट रेडी मीन्स फ्लोज टेस्टेड, बग्स फिक्स्ड, edge cases handled, payment tested, OTP tested, slow internet tested, different device tested, responsiveness tested, deployment checked. Most founders only test happy flow, but user don't use product in perfect condition. Testing is where the product becomes stable. If you don't give time for testing, launch will either get delayed or go live with bugs. Seventh reason would be third party dependencies. Seventh reason is the most important, जहाँ हमें स्टार्टिंग से ही काम करना शुरू करना चाहिए. Some delays are not in developers' hand. काफ़ी कंपनीज आती हैं, हमारा वेरिफिकेशन करा दो, पेमेंट गेटवे अप्रूवल, व्हाट्सएप API अप्रूवल, ऐप स्टोर रिव्यू, प्ले स्टोर रिव्यू, SMS प्रोवाइडर, ईमेल प्रोवाइडर, क्लाइंट API एक्सेस, सर्वर क्रेडेंशियल्स, डोमेन DNS. If credentials are not shared, integration cannot happen. If API documentation is incomplete, development slows down. If vendor replies after 4 days, project gets delayed. So founders should identify external dependencies before starting the development. Eighth reason would be no single product owner. This is when if 3 people are giving feedback, project will genuinely get delayed. One says keep it minimal, second says add more details, third one says make it like competitor. Now the team is actually confused. Feedback can come from multiple people, but final approval should come from one person only. Tech projects need clarity, not democracy. Last of all, founder's checklist. So before starting a tech project, founder should freeze these things. Who is user? What is the core problem of user? What is the version which will go first live? What is not part of version 1? What are must-have features? What are future features? Who will approve decisions? Which third-party tools are needed on day 1 especially? What is testing timeline and how will changes be handled? So next time your tech project gets delayed, don't just ask developers ने time क्यों लिया इतना. Ask, was the scope clear? Were decisions given on time? Were designs approved? Were credentials shared? Were changes added midway? Was testing planned? Because most tech delays are not coding delays. These are clarity delays, maximum time. If you are a founder and building a tech product, remember this. Don't just build fast. Build clear. If you want a checklist, before starting your tech product, comment checklist. I will share you the checklist. If you like my content, follow and subscribe.